Hi, Dave here for Corrigan Corporation with an overview of our patented Ultramist produce misting system. Designed and manufactured right here in the United States, Corrigan's Ultramist system provides a thin, dew-like moisture barrier to produce, which helps maintain product integrity. In addition to extending shelf life, Ultramist helps fruits and vegetables retain color, texture, and nutrients. The moisture also preserves the product's weight, resulting in higher returns at the scale. Ultramist offers unique features and options to address the specific needs of your application, including the smallest profile and flexible mounting in all cases. This flexibility allows for ease of use and a variety of configurations. All systems feature the patented Ultramist nozzle with a simple on-off slide control. The nozzle can also be turned from front to back, permitting easy adjustment of the spray area. An optional 360-degree pivoting head can provide a wider range of spray. The strong Schedule 80 PVC mist bar is offered in black or white to match your display. 4 different nozzle patterns accommodate different misting needs, including the low-flow hollow cone fogging nozzle, which conserves water and energy. Please see our Ultramist produce misting nozzle video for a more in-depth look at nozzle selection and features. In addition to improving your bottom line, you'll have good reason to feel secure in your Ultramist system. The systems are built with quality components, certified by NSF 169, and backed by the best warranty in the industry. In fact, the mist bar and nozzle shutoff come with a lifetime guarantee. When ordering, Corrigan provides a simple 3-step process, which is reviewed in our video, How to Order Your Ultramist System. And with nationwide installation and service, Corrigan is with you every step of the way. To learn more about the Ultramist produce misting system, view our additional videos, visit our website at corriganmist.com, or give us a call at 800-462-6478. And to receive notifications of new videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.